Hi, this is Greg, owner of Highpoint Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. We're actually calling out to service technicians. We're trying to find service technicians to fill some openings that we have. We're actually looking for dependable people. Some of the other things that we look for is people that are customer service oriented, people that are willing to go above and beyond in serving our customers and taking care of their needs. This includes wearing shoe covers as you enter the house and explaining the situation to the customer and communicating with them all of the things that are going to happen and that will happen and that we will take care of. As a service technician, we look for qualified personnel that have experience in the field and that have experience dealing with customers and satisfying their needs. And this is one of the things that Highpoint holds very dear to us, that we are striving to do, is take care of our customers and have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you think you qualify for this and you'd like to turn in your application, give us a call. Our number is 801-787-6369, or you can send your application on an email to greg@highpointutah.com.